done so quickly. I mean, it was just shortly over 24 hours and we had a totally new roof. The crew that came, they were extremely thorough. They cleaned up everything. They were very friendly.
Yeah. They were prompt when he said that they were going to come. They came on time. So I mean that was great. Then they were very courteous to us. So
Right.
that's what I like. I like that too. That they were just a nice crew, and shared the process of where they were at and when they would leave. So that was good.
I'd say the turnaround was maybe a week. It was seamless. So we definitely recommend Right Now Roofing. If you have any issues that are similar to ours, so give them a call.